खत्म डन जस्ट 90 मिनट में ऐसे ही खत्म पता भी नहीं चला 120 मिनट एक्चुअली anyway I'm happy for Yaman and his team performance and Spain जैसे पूरा वर्ल्ड कप परफॉर्म करता है they deserve to win the वर्ल्ड कप more than मेसी अर्जेंटीना इधर तक फाइनल तक पहुंचा मेसी ने कैरी करके लाया they didn't even deserve to be in the final if it weren't for Messi but still Messi carried them 39-year-olds Messi and they were in the final because of him but इतना गंदा टीम they can't perform to the level of Spain and France. I think France भी आता तो ये लोग हारने वाले थे because they are like nothing without him, nothing without Messi. Because every stack अगर तुम चेक करोगे हर जगह पे गोल्स पे मेसी, असिस्ट पे मेसी, बिग चांसेस क्रिएटर्स मेसी, ड्रिबल्स उस पे भी मेसी, एवरी मैट्रिक जो अवेलेबल है सब में मेसी. बट आज डीवू का परफॉर्मेंस अच्छा था. इट वाज लाइक 2022 डीवू's परफॉर्मेंस बट बाकी प्लेयर्स इज जस्ट सो एवरेज, damn average performance from the rest of the players. और क्या ही बोले. But Spain were a better team and they prove it. Better tactical team, better structured team, better midfield, balanced, goalkeeping अच्छा है, defending अच्छा है and I'm happy for defense में. अगर defense का बात करें तो कुबारसी बारसा का और एक बॉय अपना लड़का क्या परफॉर्मेंस दिया है. और जो एंजो ने उस पर टैकल मारा इट्स लाइक सो स्टूपिड. इतना गंदा खेला ये लोग लाइक फ्रॉम एवरी प्लेयर. इवन मेसी डिडंट इवन कम इनटू द गेम. लाइक उसके फर्स्ट हाफ में शायद 1-2-3 टचेस होंगे. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इट वाज नॉट ए कन्विंसिंग परफॉर्मेंस बाय अर्जेंटीना or it was Messi's last match most probably क्या it was Messi's last match. You can see him जब मैच खत्म होने के बाद he was crying जब उसको मेडल देता है, सेकेंड मेडल, सिल्वर मेडल. he was crying and yeah, that's it. You won't be able to see him performing at the World Cup again. You won't be able to see his magic in the World Cup. Both, like many players, Neymar, Ronaldo, Messi, Modric and KDB and Van Dijk and all the other legends too. Like we grew up watching, not like I started to follow their career from 2017. But yeah, they were a portion of the reason that I started watching football and they're gone and the new generation takes over. But yeah, Spain deserved the win and they were the superior team and Argentina deserved to lose. But it hurts even जितना भी बारसा फैन बोल ले कि दोनों साइड जीतने से अच्छा है. It was a kind of win-win and lose-lose situation, but inside in the depth of our hearts, everybody wanted a bit of Messi to win it again, to please our more greedy like जो greed होता है हम लोग का, और चाहिए मेसी को और देखना है. We wanted to see him lift the trophy again. Because Yamal का क्या है, बाकी लोग का क्या है, they can come back after 4 years again and they can win it again. But I won't be that. In fact, I was greedy. I wanted Messi to win, but after the match, I think it was quite emotional moment and Still my vocal cord is gone because कल रात इतना चिल्लाया मैच देखते देखते and it finished like an instant, man. Life is so quick, man. Life is so quick. Anyway, what to say, man. I'll miss him. I'll miss him. I hope so वो लास्ट ये नेक्स्ट शायद कुछ साल में जो कोपा अमेरिका आ रहा है वो खेले. इज नॉट रिटायरिंग फ्रॉम फुटबॉल. MLS में अभी भी खेलेगा बट yeah, we won't be able to see him in the Argentina jersey in the World Cup. That Ankara Messi and give it to him and pray in the last World Cup. Legendary commentary on Messi, legendary workout, that photo shoot, that that legendary goals. It will be missed. Anyway, we lived our dream in 2022, and it was just the best thing we have achieved with Messi. And yeah, I'm content with that. I will live with the 2022 dream forever. I'll not be salty with this World Cup defeat at the final. हम लोग को तो प्राउड होना चाहिए मेसी फैंस को. Our players reached 3 World Cup. 1 we win, but 2 we lost. But we should appreciate the journey. जो इतना सारा hardship करके आया. It was like this campaign of Messi was like 18-19 of Barcelona campaign. Like अकेले सारा इतना गंदा टीम को कैरी किया, सेमीफाइनल तक लेके गया, उधर पे लिवरपूल के अगेंस्ट हारा. But it was almost like he carried them to a treble, बस चैंपियंस लीग जीत नहीं पाया. And same here, it was like almost in this campaign Messi carried them through and through and through and through till the final. But वो लास्ट कॉफिन में वो लास्ट नेल नहीं हुआ and it's ended with a defeat. And Messi का लास्ट पोस्ट मैच प्रेजेंटेशन में भी like पोस्ट मैच में भी बोलता है कि it's not the defeat that hurt him, it's the spirit, the fans, the game, the teammates, the World Cup vibes and everything he will miss more. That's why he cried. And I believe we feel the same way. And yeah, that's it. Baki, it's time for Yamal to rule. It's not the end, it's the beginning of a new journey. Messi ने अपना throne pass कर दिया है दूसरे generation को, and they will take it from here on. But football will not be the same without you, Leo. Football will not be the same, and we love you, and I love you, and I was pleased to watch you play, and you will never be replicated, and nobody can make me feel the love of football as you did. And I love you. So I think that's it for the World Cup, and we're gonna be back to the club football in few months, I think, and it will be fun again, and everybody will forgot about the World Cup and all. Again after 4 years we'll be back with the same energy and all. Yeah, and Messi will be going to the MLS. I hope so. I will watch his matches a bit in the MLS, but yes, that's it from my side, and it was a pleasure to watch him. Just इतना जल्दी ख़त्म हो गया सब कुछ, and जो भी. Anyway, congratulations to Spain for the World Cup, and Messi, Ankara Messi.